Say you're working part-time at a five and dime and your boss is named Mr. McGee, and maybe he's told you several times that he doesn't like your kind because you're a bit too leisurely. But none of that really matters to you because you're under a contract that prevents you from getting fired. So say one day you're doing something next to nothing but different than the day before. So your boss offers you a different job because he wants to get you out of his store. He'll give you $1 million now to get out of his store, or he can give you 1 cent today, and then that 1 penny will double every day for 31 days. Which deal do you take while you're working for Mr. McGee? If you take a penny on the first day and then it doubles, the next day you get 2 pennies, the next day is 4 pennies, and the next day is 8 pennies. So you'll get 8 cents for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 days of working. The way this formula goes, it's just 2 to the 0. Anything to the 0 is 1, then 2 to the first, 2 to the second, 2 to the third. The exponents just keep going up. Take 2 to the n minus 1. N equals 31 days. So 31 minus 1 is 2 to the 30th. That means you have 30 doublings because there's 31 days and it doesn't double on the first day. And this is why this works out so well. 2 to the 30th is the same thing as 2 to the 10th times 2 to the 10th times 2 to the 10th. When multiplying, you just add your exponents. The reason is 2 to the 10th is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 10 times. Multiply that again by 2 to the 10th, which is 10 more 2's. Multiply that again by 10 more 2's. That's how you get your 2 to the 30th. 2 to the 10th is equal to about 1,000. So what we have is 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000. Count your zeros. There's 9 zeros, so it's 10 to the 9th. And this is how many pennies you have. 10 to the 9th pennies divided by 100 because there's 100 cents in a dollar. So you can take that 100, change it to 10 to the second. 9 minus 2 is 7. You got 10 to the 7th. So there's going to be 7 zeros. That's $10 million. This is approximate. The exact number is $10,737,418. On your smartphone scientific calculator, just hit 2, and then there's an X to the Y button, and then hit 30, and that'll give you 2 to the 30th. So the first several days or several weeks of working, you won't make hardly any money. You'll work for many days or weeks just to make $10 or $100. But on that penultimate day of working, which is the second to the last day, you'll have about $5 million. So the very next day it doubles and you'll make $10 million for the whole month's worth of work. Then with all that money, you'll be able to impress that cute girl that keeps coming in with the raspberry beret.